Shavuot 5783 will be down upon us. I'm just going to pan a little bit, give you a sense. And this wondrous place that we come to, it's a little village, and we come to the soul of the tzaddik, because the tzaddik soul is attached to his remains. The Kabbalah teaches us that it's actually a little bone in the back of the brain called the luz bone, which, if anybody remembers, the luz was a place where Jacob had a vision from God. But why are we here for Shavuot? To receive the Torah again and again and again. Because the Torah is always new. So what we're really trying to receive is the ability to receive newness. Something that's new is new, but if I don't see it that way, if I don't receive it that way, well, then I miss the newness that is embedded there. Now, the Pnimiut, the inner Torah, what is the inner Torah? Well, of course, we know it's the Kabbalah, it's the Zohar, it's all the great Kabbalists from all the generations speaking, interpreting the Torah in an esoteric way, finding the hidden and the inner teachings behind the outer garment, as it's called, the garment of the written Torah that everybody is reading still to this day in probably 50 or 100 languages. So the inner Torah, though, think of it, another way to think of it is that you're learning not about the art of the artist, you're learning about the artist. You're learning not about the painter, the painter's paintings. You're learning about what he put into the painting. And these, of course, are the traits, the qualities, the personality profile of the infinite being that is transformed into, according to his will, all the traits that become the channels that reach out to us and our little personalities. So he is the master of all personality, and he is the absolute quality of all qualities. And his qualities are, of course, infinite, but he contracts them down in a way that makes them palatable to man. That you can have an idea, a thought, and you know that you didn't ever have that thought before. And where did it come from? Well, we believe that there is a knower. As the Rambam says, there's a knower, there's knowledge, and then there is the knowing. In other words, there is the mind, which is the knower, the personality that knows a piece of knowledge. Then there's the knowledge itself, and then there's that which connects the two, right? And of course, well, we say that God is all three. He is the knowledge, and he is the knower, and he is that which binds them together. And we are built on that pattern, that model. So when we learn Torah, we learn the inner Torah, we're learning not only ideas, but we're learning about the one who thought them and projected them into the world and made them available to us through all these holy books. And you know, when you talk about the Jewish tradition, you're not talking about 10,000 books or 50,000 books. You're talking upwards of maybe 200,000 books that are extant, that are at least in handwritten copy. And that's quite a library. And it's something to be proud of and to be overawed. When I first learned about the size of the Jewish tradition, the number of books and authors, it's overwhelming. But when you realize it spanned 4,000 and so many years, then you see that we've been a busy people all along. And we are the people of the book because that's what we do. But I want to bless all of you this Erev Shavuot with a new eye, a new ear, a new inner eye, a new inner ear to hear and to see a new Torah, your Torah, the Torah that began with Hashem, but it filtered down through the particular permutation that is your personality, your template of the tree of life, because everyone is different. We all come from the same template. And there's just variations on a theme according to all these traits. So your Torah is God's Torah flowing through you. And how you reflect it back becomes mainly Helkenu b'Toratecha. Give us our portion in your Torah. Because our portion is very intimate and profound. And we're connected to that in a very unique way. So Hag Sameach, as you say, a great festival. And we have Shabbat after that, of course, which is the crowning of the king and the queen. And, you know, it's such a beautiful thing. I wish you all, the whole world could be here, at least through a few pixels, and to be part of this great moment of the receiving of the Torah again, here at Har Meron, in the Holy Land of Israel. God bless you all. Chag Sameach and Shabbat Shalom.